have an update thanks to a good friend who sent me a tip on how to do this better. I'm in Photoshop, so File, instead of opening each one and having to copy paste, I'm going to go to, so thank you so much, my friend Ben, who teaches at Mississippi College. You go to Scripts, and then you go to Load Files into Stack. And then you find your files, which are all JPEG. I'm going to load all the JPEGs this time instead of the PDF. I'm going to hit OK. So they get into all one file. I'm sorry, window and timeline if you don't see it. And instead of create video timeline, we're going to create frame animation. And we're going to click that. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to hit make frames from layers. Now, it's super easy. I can rearrange if I want. And then I can say, I don't want that there. I want this moved up. Now I can change how long each one is. Again, super, super, super simple. Then I can set all of them and then export just like I did before. This is making an animated GIF. There will be a link to the one I did before. This is just helping the process go a lot faster. I'm Diane Gibbs with Recharging You. I hope this helped. And if it did, hit like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.